The reason I chose Miami is because of its hands-on learning program. I loved the shop environment here. I love to work with equipment and machines. And it's one of the few schools that actually offered a major I was interested in, like smart manufacturing engineering. Because I get to operate the CNC machines, I get to learn how the manufacturing processes actually work, and it just seemed like the most fun as far as a college experience goes. So my summer research is a machine learning model to identify tool cutting geometry and tool holder geometry. This is going to be a part of our larger model that will focus on the entire shop you see here. That large shop model will identify things like machines, people, equipment, just all over the shop and track their placement, movement, and usage. My model is a machine learning model for specifically tool tracking. I'm interested in this because it's a great way to just simplify and identify and prevent errors from happening. I would love to go into industry. I love all kinds of manufacturing from the micro to the macro scales. I love semiconductor manufacturing. I love aircraft part manufacturing. All of that seems like a great fun idea to me. But I also have been teetering on the idea of teaching here. I plan maybe to come back, maybe to be a teacher here, help Dr. Cooper teach some of the more advanced courses. Miami's helped me prepare for the future in a lot of ways. It's taught me great time skills for project management and how to actually make sure my parts and my materials get delivered to me on time, my expected outcomes, how to do quality control, stuff like my surface finishes, my tolerancing for tight bearing fits, for example. It's given me a lot of opportunities to learn how the nitty-gritty things work, to all the way up to the desk work and the proper engineering faculty stuff like that. It's been a great resource for just everything engineering related that I could have ever imagined.